Hello, third graders. You have a choice of how you do your weaving this week. There's no wrong way to do it. This one is a little easier with just the straight cuts. This one's a little more funky. It's the same process, just kind of lifting through the funkier shapes can be a little bit trickier. However, they are pretty equal in how in the process. So if you rather have a paper that looks like this, you can definitely pick this. If you'd rather try this one out, feel free. If you make a mistake, you can always use a white paper to remake your loom, and we'll talk about it. Your loom is going to be your big colored paper. So feel free, if you make a mistake, just to use one of those other extra white papers that you have probably collected. So the easier one, again, is the more checkerboard one. Basically, you start with your paper, you fold it in half, and make sure your folded edge is over here, which means it opens over here. And then you put a line across the top. So again, folded edge, the opening here, and just give yourself a little space that says do not cut. I made mine maybe about an inch or so thick. And then make 6 lines. If you want the video to match up to what I'm doing, please do the exact same. So that would help you with the directions. So I made 6 lines, cut them, and then I had my board already. And then in this video, I show you how to weave the checkerboard one. If you would rather, if you'd rather make the fancier weave, then what you're going to do is you're going to start with your paper. Again, same as before, fold it in half, and again, make sure that that folded edge is here. Go right across the top again, about an inch so thick. You don't have to write do not cut, but it helps me remember not to cut past there. And again, remember your folded edge, it opens here. And if you want your weave to match up with my directions in the video, please do the exact same type of lines. It's okay if they don't look totally the same. Like I did a straight one, I did a zigzag, I did a wavy line, I did a bend, I did another wavy line, and a straight line. So as long as you have 6 similar lines, the video will match up just fine for you. And again, I showed you here just to make sure you see that it's folded down here and that the open edges are right here. And then you'll cut those. Again, don't go past that no cut line. You'll open it up and you will have your board ready. And then in this video, I will take you through step by step how to weave through here. I'm excited to see how these come out. Again, you may end up with a lot of free time. Some people will. Some people will need the whole class time to figure out the weaving. So that's why this is just what it is. Feel free to do some free choice if you finish early. This is going to get you ready for when you're in school. We're going to do some yarn weaving. So I can't wait to see how these come out.